How many times Usamke she was told not to post it on her Instagram story, guys? Let's get you started today. You know, the rest of the house is somebody facing will say welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. So guys, the Musamsaleko posted Umacele and Mayene after Musamke posted her picture with him, and people are asking themselves what is going on. I guess Musamsaleko, you know, he had no choice but to do damage control by posting Umacele no Mayene, guys, to show Usamke to is still a girlfriend. People expected Musamsaleko to post the picture that was posted by Sam, and we already know, guys, Umakhumalo and Mangwabe, they don't like that. We're going to find out on the Tembo on season 10 ukuthi what's the situation between Musamsaleka and Samke, because the people want to see Samke as the wife, you know, especially those ladies that are side chick, those ladies that are dating married men. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. You know, forget to subscribe, to like, comment.